Welcome to this luxurious townhouse located at Fairview, Quezon City. Very close ito sa SM Fairview, Robinsons Novaliches, and has an easy access papuntang Commonwealth Avenue that leads to big establishments, national roads, and grocery malls. Here are the details of this elegant townhouse. At the entrance, we have a spacious garage for 2 vehicles. Added feature na rito ang kanyang translucent skylight window that gives natural light sa garage area. Not to mention the setbacks, talagang nakakadagdag sa kanyang pagka-aesthetic because of the greens around it. Sa front ng tahanan na ito ay mayroon tayong solid wood door, and as you enter ay makikita natin ang living area. It has a built-in TV console. Kagandahan pa rito ay because of the solid glass window, mas nagiging maliwanag at maaliwalas pa ang area na ito. Also, nandito na rin ang ating dining area. On top of this, ang magagandang light fixtures na mayroon dito. Next is our kitchen with a very spacious counter with built-in cooktop and range hood. And we also have a back kitchen and a storage room. This part of the house is an alternative entrance where you can put all your guests' footwears. Keeps the house neat and tidy. And here's our common toilet and bath. Going up to the second floor ay ating stairs na hindi nakakangalay akyatin. Add pa natin dito ang large glass window that lets up the whole stairs area. Now, let's proceed sa first bedroom sa second floor. Very spacious ang room na ito at may nakapaabang pa for an AC. You can turn this room into your own office room. Mayroon din tayong common toilet and bath with a glass shower partition. Then we have here our next bedroom. Very spacious and has its built-in cabinet. Sa room naman na ito, it has its own built-in cabinet as well. Ang pinagkaiba lang sa kabilang room ay mas well lit ang room na ito because of its large glass window. Lastly, the moment we've all been waiting for, the master's bedroom. It has a wood flooring, built-in TV console, and has a split-type aircon. Another wonderful feature of this room ay mayroon siyang personal walk-in closet and personal toilet and bath. That's it for today's house tour. If you want more house tour videos, you can follow our Facebook page. For more questions and inquiries, you can contact us through the information in the description. Thank you and have a great day.